Improve your English, mastering email and letter writing. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of email and letter writing. Our main focus will be to help you understand the purpose of these communication tools and to get hands-on with practice writing exercises. So, let's improve our written communication together. In the digital age, being able to communicate effectively through emails is a must-have skill. Whether it's for professional or personal correspondence, emails are an efficient way to share information. Letters, on the other hand, are a more formal, often more personal mode of communication. They are typically used for business correspondences, official announcements, or personal messages. Both emails and letters have their own structure and style. By understanding these differences and knowing when to use each, you can ensure your message is conveyed accurately and professionally. An email usually consists of a subject line, salutation, body, closing, and signature. The letter has a similar structure, but also includes the sender's address, date, and recipient's address at the top. Remember, the content of the body is where you convey your message. So always make sure it's clear, concise, and respectful. Now let's put theory into practice. Exercise 1. Email writing. Imagine you're applying for a job. Write an email to the hiring manager expressing your interest in the position. Remember to 1. Specify the position you're applying for in the subject line. 2. Use a professional tone throughout the email. 3. Thank the hiring manager for considering your application. Exercise 2. Letter writing. Write a letter to a friend who lives overseas. Share an update about your life and ask about theirs. Remember to 1. Start the letter with a warm greeting. 2. Write in a friendly, informal tone. 3. Use paragraphs to separate different ideas or topics. 4. End the letter with a warm closing statement. That wraps up our session on email and letter writing. We hope you found this helpful and that the exercises will improve your English writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to write more emails and letters. Happy writing and see you in the next video.